Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, keep me faded.
Hi everyone, Evans here. Welcome to Evans Fitness. This channel is all about fitness and health awareness. If this is your first time being in my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and don't forget to leave your comment. Thank you. Stay tuned. Festival season is around the corner, and we all need something to do while we're on vacation. No gym, no stress. No equipment, no stress. Hence, I bring to you calisthenics and isometric exercise that is gonna vitalize your full body that you will never even take for a second that you were in holiday. So all you need to do, follow me on this workout. Make sure you do exactly as it do. So we're going to be having 8 exercises straight away, no rest in between. So we're going to repeat 3 to 4 times. Alright, first workout is called pumping. I said if you don't have the timer, you're going to do it manually. You can as 5 seconds. Right? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now you're not gonna rest in between. We switch. Same time. Is push-up. So if you can be able to hit 20 push-up, 50, go for it. But if you're not able, go for 10. Let's go. Get it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Alright, we hit it. Same time. The next one is called jump squat or jumping squat. So you have to find your normal stance, squat stance, shoulder apart stance. That is your position, that is your posture. Alright? If you can hit 10, fine. If you can hit 25, if you cannot, you can put a timer 30 seconds, 20 seconds. Or you just follow me as we go. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. That's what I'm talking about. Now we hit it straight and back. Be done. Be back straight as far as you can. Keep it unmuted. So we're holding for 20 to 30 seconds. So I'm gonna go with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. See, I'm moving strongly to catch my breath. That means it's sinking in. So if you haven't been to isometric or calisthenics exercise, here's the time. It's called side elbow plank. So I'm going to hold for 20 to 30 seconds on one side and then switch to the other side. Same time, no rest in between. Let's go. Roll straight. Knock it up. Straight up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and finish up. You can. So you see this exercise you can do anywhere. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's it. Same time, good job. The rest in between. Next one is called BMO. So stay there. So arm your leg on the shoulder, place it on the floor, with your palm engaged to the floor. Lock your toes, slightly lift up the knee from the floor. Let's go. Mechanically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the next one is called festive move. So we stay in this position. Okay, left, straight, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Switch, turn, recheck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, the next one is called reverse leg. Raise your hand behind your back. Stay on your heels. Lift your butt up. Center is called reverse leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Run 3 to run 4. But if you're not able to go to run 4, run 3 is okay. Alright, this is exercise that you can basically do anywhere. In your hotel room, in the beach, in the village. It doesn't matter what. You just need 6 feet space and you're done. Alright? I gotta do it this month. Alright? I know it's gonna be hard for people to wake up and say, oh, it's going to what to do. How would you do? You gotta do this so that when you come back from your holiday or whatever you're going, you don't be left out. You still remain fit. So if you ever get into calisthenics and isometric exercise, this is the time. You gotta do that. Come on, let's go. Please don't forget, first time, visiting my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Lastly, don't forget to share. Take notes. You gotta do this for your nigga. You gotta do this for your brother. You gotta do this for your family. Alright? It is nothing from you to hit the red button. Thank you. And see you on my next video.
Always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over.